Hello everyone. Why do you think we started our video with Saraswati Vandana? Because Saraswati is goddess of learning and Kala, as she is Veena and Pustak Dharini. What is Kala? Simply Kala means art, but in Sanskrit, Ka and La. Kala means anything that gives you happiness. Today if someone will ask you to name a few Kalas, we won't be able to name more than 10. But in ancient India, we had 64 Kalas. The origin of Indian art traces back to 3rd millennium BC, era of prehistoric settlements. Traditional ancient India was well known for austerity, cultural and religious influence. One such remarkable expression of creativity is traditional art forms called Chausash Kala, 64 traditional arts. These art forms are characterized in detail in ancient texts, namely Shiv Tattva Ratnakar. According to Sage Shukracharya, the varied art forms are not just known for the names, but by expressions, physical expressions with movement. They are known for the significant development of a cultural individual in several parts of India. The 64 art forms are prominent with 14 Vidyas, 4 Vedas, 4 Upavedas and 6 Vedangas. And what mythology says about Kalas? It is believed that after killing Kansa, Lord Krishna went to Avanti, Ujjain, in Guru Sandipani's ashram, where he learned 14 types of Vidyas and 64 Kalas within 64 days. It is assumed that for a normal human, each would take 2 or more years to learn them. Where 24 arts are work-based, Karma Sharia, 20 are gambling-based, Dhruta Sharia, 4 are miscellaneous, Uttar Kala, rest are sleeping postures based on Shayan Upacharika.
गीत विद्या, वाद्य विद्या, नृत्य विद्या, नाट्य विद्या, आलेख्य विद्या, विशेषकच्छेद्यं, तण्डूलकुसुमवल्लिविकाराः, पुष्पास्तरणं, दशनवसनागरागः, मणिभूमिकाकर्म, शयनरचनम्, उदकवाद्यम्, उदकाघातः, चित्राश्चयोगाः, माल्यग्रन्थनविकल्पः, शेखरकापीडयोजनं, नेपथ्यप्रयोगाः, कर्णपद्मभङ्गाः, गन्धयुक्तिः, भूषणयोजनम्, ऐन्द्रजालाः, कौचुमाराश्च, हस्तलाघवं, विचित्रशाकयुषभक्षाविकारक्रिया, पानकरसरागसवयोजनं, शुचिवानकर्मणि, सूत्रक्रीडा, वीणाडमरुकवाद्यानि, प्रहेलिका, प्रतिमाला, दुर्वाचकयोगाः, पुस्तकवाचनं, नाटकाख्यायिकादर्शनं, काव्यसमस्यापूरणं, पट्टिकावानवेत्रविकल्पाः, तक्षककर्मणि, तक्षणं, वास्तुविद्या, रूप्यपरीक्षा, धातुवादः, मणिरागाकरज्ञानं, वृक्षायुर्वेदयोगाः, मेषकुकुटलावकयुद्धविधिः, शुकसारिकाप्रलापनम्, उत्सादने संहावने केशमर्दने च कौशलम्, अक्षरमुष्टिकाकथनं, विवेक्षितविकल्पाः, देशभाषाविज्ञानं, पुष्पचकटिका, निमित्तज्ञानं, यन्त्रमातृका, धारणमातृका, सम्पाठ्यं, मानसिकाव्यक्रिया, अभिधानकोशः, छन्दोज्ञानं, क्रियाकल्पः, चलितकयोगाः, वस्त्रगोपनानि, द्युतविशेषः, आकर्षक्रीडा, बालक्रीडनकानि, वैनहिकीनां, वैजयिकीनां व्यायामिकीनां विद्यानां ज्ञानम्